Hello guys. Today we will be looking into the unit Daily Dose of Salesforce CRM. Today we'll be doing some practical exercises and hands-on challenge. So let's first launch the lab and then we'll look into what we will be doing. All right, let's click on launch. So for easy viewing, let me just split the screen. Let me drag this window and let's split this into right half. No, thank you. And let's split this into left half. All right. So the first challenge, or the practice challenge, I must say, is in the accounts and contacts. So what we will be doing in this is we'll be creating an account in Salesforce dashboard, as you can see in the right window. And there we'll be creating an account and then we'll be assigning a contact to the account. As it sounds, it's pretty simple. So let's get started. So first we have to open the app launcher and click on the sales title. So as you can see, we are already in the sales title, so we can skip the part. In the navigation bar, click accounts. All right, let's go to accounts and then click new. Okay, let's click on new account, followed by the account name being Maria's Machining. So let's copy the part over here, copy and paste. And for type, choose customer direct. All right, customer direct. And for the industry, choose manufacturing. Okay, let's go with industry. For let me type in manufacturing. Yes, it's over here. And then just save. All right, now we have created the account named Maria's Machining. So the next task over here is we create a new contact in the contacts related list. So inside Maria's machining, as you can see right over here, so we are inside the accounts, and inside accounts, we are in an account called Maria's machining. So there we create a new contact, and there, as you can see, we click the first name as Maria. So let's copy and paste. So I'll be using shortcuts for copy and paste from now on. Saves a bit of time and it's easier. All right. And then we have phone number as well. So yeah, let's copy the mobile and paste. Yeah, and just save it. Yep, we are done with the practice challenge. So this is just the practicing part. We'll see the heads-on challenge towards the end of the video. Now let's jump on to the next practice challenge. Okay, so the next practice challenge is opportunity workspace. So here we will be creating a new opportunity in Maria's machining account. Okay, so let's quickly jump into Maria's machining accounts. So let's click on accounts. And as you see, this is the one we have created, Maria's machining. Let's go over to there. And here, from the contacts related list, click on Maria Villarico. This is the one which we have just created. Let me just resize this a bit. Yeah. As you can see, this is the one we have just created. All right. So inside Maria Villarico, let's create a new opportunity as it says in the step number 3. So let's go and click on new opportunity. And here we've got an opportunity name. So let's copy this up, copy and paste over here. The next one is the amount. It's about, I believe, 2 lakhs or 200,000. Let's copy and paste again. And for close date, choose a day 1 week from today. So let's click on close date 25. That will be approximately about 1st of October. Don't think that really matters, but yeah. For stage, choose prospecting. Sure, let's go for stage and prospecting. And that should be good. Save. All right. So the potential sale is now on the record. So the next thing is we click on opportunities list and we edit the amount to 300,000. Okay. So let's click on that opportunities which we have just created. Okay. Now you see there's an entire new dashboard for this. Okay. Now let's click on edit. Edit's over here in the top right. And let's update the amount to 300,000. So let's remove the 2 and click 3. Yes. That should do. And let's save. And mark stage as complete as stated in the step 5. Right. Okay. That is good. So we have completed the practice challenge number 2 as well. So let's see what's next for us. Okay, so we have a practice challenge number 3. So this is for reports and dashboards. I believe here we are creating a report based on opportunities. So let's look into it. All right. So in the navigation bar, click reports. Okay, let's jump into the reports. And then, yeah, it's over here. Reports. And step number 2 is click on new report. And as per step number 3, let's go to opportunities and select opportunities from the opportunities column. And then let's start report. As in the step number 5, let's search for stage in the add group section. Yes, we found the stage. So let's click on stage. Yes. Now let's jump into filters and click close date. And for the range, let's choose all time and click on apply. And the next one is will be okay, we just completed step number 9. And so in the step number 10, in the add filter, search, find, and select amount. Okay, so let's search for amount. Yeah, we found it. So here we are going for a value greater than 100,000 or 1 lakh. So first, let's select the operator greater than, and then 100,000. And 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And click on apply. Save and run. Okay, let's create a new report name. Let's just copy paste opportunities 100K plus, and let's save it. All right. So we have created a new report where uh, where the report shows us all the opportunities which are above $100,000. So as you can see, we can also see Maria's machining, which we have just created in the previous practice challenge. Okay, there ends up our challenge number 3. So I believe the last challenge is the heads-on challenge, which will be verified by Trailhead. Okay, so let's jump into it. Okay, to do a business with new customer Mondo Corp, you need to add an account, contact, and opportunity. Okay, create an account. So as you can recall from the practice challenge number 1, let's jump into accounts tab and create a new. So let's copy paste. Let's copy the name from over here, account name, and industry as stated. It's energy. Industry is energy. and employees are about 10,000. Okay, yeah, it's over here, 10,000, and let's click on save. Okay, now we have finished the first part of creating the account. Let's jump into the second part where we create a contact inside Mondo Corp, which is this part of the challenge. Okay, now we are inside Mondo Corp. Let's create a new contact, and the first name of the contact being Sean and the last name being Corbin. Let's copy and paste. And let's copy paste the email as well. Corp. Okay, where's that email? Yeah, it's over here. And let's save this. Okay, that's good. So we've completed the second part of the challenge as well. So now we create an opportunity for Sean Corbin. So in order to do that, we click on the contact Sean Corbin, and then once only then we are inside, we create a new opportunity. So yeah, let's copy the opportunity name, replacement gas generator. That's right. And type as new customer and close date as today. Okay. And stage as value proposition. Okay, value proposition. All right, let's save. That completes our last part of the challenge as well. So hopefully we passed it. So let's check the challenge to earn 500 points. Let's see if it is verified successfully. I'm sure it'll go through. It was an easy one. I hope you guys complete the challenge as well. See you in the next video. Bye bye.